In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access voice settings in Discord and customize them for the best possible audio experience. Whether you're gaming, joining meetings, streaming, or just chatting with friends, having the right voice settings can make a huge difference in sound quality. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can quickly find and adjust the options you need. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow tech guides. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once Discord loads, you'll see your server list on the left side, your channels in the middle, and your user panel at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, to access your voice settings, look at the bottom left corner where your username and profile picture are displayed. Right next to your name, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open the main settings menu for your Discord account. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the User Settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different setting categories. Scroll down slightly until you find the section labeled Voice and Video. Once you see Voice and Video, click on it. Now you're inside the Voice Settings area. This is where you can fully control how your microphone and speakers work in Discord. At the top, you'll see options for Input Device and Output Device. Your input device is your microphone, and your output device is your headset or speakers. Click the drop-down menus to select the correct microphone and speakers you want Discord to use. Right below that, you'll see Input Volume and Output Volume sliders. You can drag these sliders left or right to adjust how loud your microphone sounds to others and how loud other people sound to you. It's a good idea to test your microphone by speaking and watching the input sensitivity bar to make sure your voice is being detected clearly. You'll also see an option for input mode. You can choose between voice activity and push to talk. Voice activity means Discord automatically detects when you're speaking. Push to talk means you'll press a specific key on your keyboard whenever you want to speak. If you select push to talk, you can set your preferred shortcut key right below that option. As you scroll further down, you'll find additional voice processing features like echo cancellation, noise suppression, and automatic gain control. These features help improve your audio quality by reducing background noise and balancing your microphone levels. You can toggle these options on or off depending on your setup and personal preference. If you ever want to test your microphone directly, use the Let's Check button in the Voice and Video section. Click it, speak into your microphone, and Discord will play your voice back to you so you can hear exactly how you sound. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, there's no need to manually save. Discord automatically saves your changes. You can simply close the settings window by clicking the X in the top right corner or pressing the Escape key. And that's it. That's how you access and adjust voice settings in Discord. It only takes a few clicks, and now you have full control over your audio experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.